Welcome to Kids Station. Are you ready to read your Bibles? In 3, 2, 1. Let us go to the house of the Lord. Psalm 22, 1. Colossians 3:15. Let the peace that Christ gives control your thinking. You were all called together in one body to have peace. Herbs 12:108 loves instruction, loves style, but he who hates correction is stupid. Isaiah 14:12. How art thou fallen from heaven, O Lucifer, son of the morning? How art thou cut down to the ground, which didst weaken the nations? But it's only...
Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Manuel and Relaine Camarello. Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Humok.